So this is my Pocket Rocket made by MSR. So if you can unfold it like this, and this is what we're going to sit our pot on. So the Pocket Rocket just screws into this gas canister. Like this. Boil this water. We got 2 cups of water we're boiling, and then we are going to lasagna. Tonight we are having Mountain House lasagna with meat sauce. Believe it or not, this stuff is going to taste wonderful. Just add 2 cups of boiling water, stir it up, let it sit for 11 minutes, and you can eat it right out of the bag. So with any type of inclement weather, power outages, this is actually another great option to have a nice warm meal. So we're going to water boiling, and we're going to be pouring that into our Mountain House meal and let that cook. Also, what's good about it is that everything collapses down and fits right into the cup. Then you have this nice little carrying pouch to put it in. So if you're looking for another option for cooking in inclement weather, I would definitely recommend the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. I actually used this on a backpacking trip a couple of weeks ago, and it worked really well. You can purchase just the stove itself, or you can get kind of the all-in-one cooking system with the stove and the cooking pot, and there's a handle as well as this carrying bag. And again, I would highly recommend this, and hope you enjoyed this video.